Hey everybody, I'm Sean. Welcome to another episode of Adventuring Spiders. Welcome back everybody. On today's episode, we just finished touring a bunch of temples here in Cambodia, and now we are going to take some boats, some gondolas on the moat around Angkor Thom. But before we get to that, I just wanted to show you this. This temple is just sitting right beside the area where you board the boats. You can see them down here. This temple is actually older than all the ones we visited, built in the 9th century, and you can see that it's made of brick on the top. Apparently the brick is older than the sandstone, and so that's an older style. So built in the 800s. The history in this country is just amazing. But that isn't why we're here today. Like I said, we're here today to go on a gondola ride. So let's go. Alright, so this is the area where we are going to board one of these boats. Look at the light here, everybody. So amazing. And one of the reasons we're doing this right now is to see the sunset. Oh, what an absolutely gorgeous evening. Very peaceful. These moats were all dug by hand and surround the wall here of Angkor Thom. And you can see there's a lot of vegetation. I have no idea how deep they are, but there are fish in them, including tilapia and snakehead. And surprisingly very few mosquitoes, which seems very strange to me given this body of water. Here's what these gondolas look like. Traditional style.
Very lovely.
And what a beautiful evening. And here's our tour guides.
To put you on the video.
It's okay, I'm putting you on the video. Alright, we're gonna get a song here from our boat operators. Alright, now we are headed back. Sun is setting. Beautiful evening.
It's very pretty that way too, isn't it?
Every once in a while you see an opening, you can see the sandstone of the wall. Otherwise the vegetation's grown pretty heavy around it. And yeah, as I said before, this is the moat on the other side of the wall. There's a piece of the wall right in the center. Alright, that is the end of our trip. Sun's getting real low. And we're gonna call this one a day. more to come in Cambodia tomorrow.